YouTube, yo guys, what's up? What's up? How you guys doing, man? How you guys doing? So, uh, we're in some we were in a trade, and now we're in a trade, and I'm about to run down what's going on. So, I hope you guys have been good. Let me get right into it. I don't want to waste any of your time. This CPI, guys, we got CPI literally at 2:30, I think. Yeah, I think it's 2:30. So yeah, we got CPI, and it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. So hope. Well, I think I don't know. And then at 4 p.m. we also have the chairman speaking, and then at 10 that's something else. So let me just quickly run down what this was all about yesterday before 10 minutes. Just give me, yeah. So markets tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap, right? And as you guys know, I use EMAs, fair value gaps, and closures below my EMAs to anticipate the shorts and the buys. So we got a nice tap into there, and then from this tap we had a closure at around 12. We had a closure back into our uh, resistance EMA. So from there, I decided let me take the short position. As you guys can see over here, here's my history. I did take it, and we made $248. So that was a nice setup that we had a nice little setup that we had for gold. Then coming into today, we had markets tapping into a fair value gap again, right? So we tapped into this 4 hour, and then from the 4 hour, I did see markets literally inverse this fair value gap, right? And after the inversion of this fair value gap, I also saw markets close below here. So I just, rinse and repeat. I did the exact same thing. However, today, I guess markets needed more volatility, more new, more liquidity for it to probably continue going lower. I'm not too sure as to why I got stopped out there, but as you can see, this is the trade that I had. History. This is the trade that I had. Lost $58. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then now, when we go into our Nasdaq, we we had a similar situation. Um, just on the Nasdaq. So yesterday I didn't manage to catch these shorts, unfortunately. I saw markets literally grabbing the liquidity up here. I only trade Nasdaq at after 2 o'clock because I know that usually what happens is markets tend to play out better after the 2 o'clock time zone. So that's pretty much it. I think I'm about to get stuffed out already. Damn. Anyways, so I was looking at this as just like an idea to say that's what I would have taken and blah blah blah. So markets closed below after grabbing liquidity and then continue to go lower. So I'm typically just looking. I was looking for the exact same thing, but I guess I'm about to get stopped out. Yeah, I just got stopped out. Damn. Okay, so that's two losses that you guys just saw that one. I think I lost $40 on that one. Okay, so I guess the markets are not looking to short, but that's what I was gonna tell you guys now is that I'm looking to see if I'm going to catch shorts going lower here. So wow, yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, I'm contemplating going short on gold. I'm still quite bearish for gold, so maybe if I do get a closure below here, I can take the shorts for gold. So let's just wait a little bit. Yeah, let's wait a little bit to see how markets will close on CPI. It's a bit unfortunate that the the Nasdaq setup did not play out the way we expected it to. So we're just gonna have to live with that, unfortunately. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else going for me when it comes to the currency pairs. I was doing some trade analysis on the pairs, and I'm kind of not liking the way my setup or the way my strategy works with these currency pairs. With the currency pairs, the setup, the strategy isn't as um powerful. Like, yeah, I do get some winners, but I'm still forward testing it, so I'll see how that plays out. Nasdaq just decided to pump up. Oh my god. Like, what? Like, for real? Crazy. Anyways, so yeah, I just wanna see how the the CPI news is gonna release, and then um most likely just get off the charts, because wow, that's just depressing. I don't understand how it just reversed on my ass, man. It's kind of fucked up, but it is what it is. Why are you using my game? It is what it is. So, yeah, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, though. Shit, I know I'm a bit just. I'm just posting to show you guys how I trade and how my progress is going. If you guys want to see the Lamborghini and all of that lifestyle, I don't think I'm going to be able to provide that for you. But what I can provide is trading content, because I'm kind of trying to make it a trading channel. Maybe later on in life, I will consider um like making the POVs and all of that, so that you guys can also see the lifestyle. But as for now, my lifestyle is kind of boring. I'm still broke. So, well, yeah. Um, but yeah, the news is about to come out literally in 3 minutes. So we will definitely have to then wait and see. I don't think this is gonna close the way I need it to. So I don't think we're gonna be able to catch the CPI setup. It would have been nice if we were in a trade, but the Nasdaq really decided to do us dirty on this one. That was filthy, actually. That was disgusting. That was literally like enter, get stopped out immediately. No apologies, nothing. Most likely grabbing more liquidity, and then potentially continue to go to the downside. My setup is, my analysis is bearish. Um we are bearish on gold even as well. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing on the 4 hour time frame. On the highest time frame, we don't have any fair value gap as of yet. So if the daily decides to close with a fair value gap, then I'm going to use the daily to most likely try target these lows. So if this 4 hour fair value gap does not hold, then most likely, if it does create the daily fair value gap, then I will go for that one. So yeah, man, let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Mona Lisa. Okay. I see a little baby fair value gap right here. So markets are probably like respecting that. I see a baby fair value gap. So and I thought, and markets were consolidating a lot. I was like watching all this price action. I felt like, you know what? At this point, if you're behaving like this, you're either gonna stop me out before going lower, or you're just gonna continue going high, or just You can continue going lower. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. I'm so sorry, y'all. But yeah, so let's just let's just wait and see. 40 seconds, y'all. 40 seconds, man. Whew. Oh man. Oh man. Not again. I learned the game from William Wesley. You could never check me. Back to back like I'm on the cover of Lethal Weapon. Back to back like I'm Jordan 6 and I'm 97. Whoa. Very important. Very pretentious. Man, like I got his attention. But it's the way ain't have you on my conscience. Hey, but you really don't know no options. If you know that song, smash the like button. Oof. And we pump it. Oh, oh, oh. Sheesh. Oh my God. You see? So y'all, that's just how it is. That's just how it is, y'all. Like, wow. Wow. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. It looks insane on Meter Trader too. Like, oh my God. I'm glad I'm out of these trades, man. That was gonna be way worse than what it was. So I'm glad I'm out of that. Oh my God, look at that. Damn. Let's see what the news said. Damn. That's crazy. Pending, pending. Okay. Oh, it came out red. It came out red, y'all. And that's not good. So gold is gaining momentum because of that. So yeah, if the actual is greater than the forecast, it means it's good for the currency. And the actual was not greater than the forecast, so it's not good for the US dollar. You get me? None of the all the everything that was forecasted, uh this one came out higher. So yeah, if the actual greater than forecast is good for the currency as well. So the forecast was, but then it shows actually, I'm not, okay. I don't know why it's red then. But yeah, so long story short, whatever came out, it's not good for the US dollar. So that's why we're seeing all of this. And this is just crazy. Oh my God. Holy shit. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's a huge move to the upside. It's going to be some very volatile movement right now. So yeah. But anyways, I'm done for the day, y'all. Uh I've already tried to take the setups that I need to take. I don't wanna be in this kind of environment. Look at that candlestick. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.